R. Prem Kumar, a results-driven leader and the chairman and founding member of BLM Housing Cooperative Society Limited. He has played a central role in transforming it into one of India's most trusted multi-state cooperative institutions. With an unwavering commitment to ethical governance and inclusive growth, he has spearheaded initiatives across diverse sectors such as housing, land development, transport, civil supplies, jewelry retail, education, media, and renewable energy. His leadership has been instrumental in the establishment of South India's first compressed biogas plant, along with institutions like medical colleges, cement factories, and IT parks that collectively generate employment and uplift lives. For over 2 decades, his foresight has driven large-scale projects that blend social responsibility with sustainable progress, leaving a lasting impact on society. His holistic approach to cooperative development continues to inspire trust and unity among thousands of members, positioning the organization as a beacon of empowerment and innovation across the nation.